Hey everyone, welcome to Brad's Gadgets. Today I'm going to show you how to screen record your iPhone. First of all, if you're going to attempt to record your screen, sticking a camera on your phone makes it look like garbage. You can scroll back and forth, but in the end, this doesn't look very professional. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go into your settings. From your settings, you're going to want to find the control center. Click on Control Center. From here, click on Customize Controls. And scroll down until you see Screen Recording. The little green plus sign beside Screen Recording, just click on that and it'll add it to your control center. Now, when you swipe up from the bottom on your home screen, you'll see that there's a little icon that looks like a circle. Click on that and you can see the countdown. Then your screen will be recording. When you're done recording, swipe up from the bottom of the screen again, click the same little circle, and you'll see your video will be saved to your photos. Nice, easy, quick, and simple. Thanks for watching. Hope you like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.